The human body is an intricate system, an organism that is constantly adapting to the environment around it. But what happens when we push it to the edge? What happens when we embrace a challenge that goes against conventional wisdom, an ancient practice that is re-emerging in modern times? Imagine waking up each morning feeling sharper, lighter, more energized than you ever thought possible. You've just experienced a transformation, one that isn't about quick fixes or magic pills. It's about harnessing the power of an ancient practice, one that's been a part of human evolution for centuries: intermittent fasting. For many, the idea of fasting sounds like a modern-day trend, an eccentric choice for wellness enthusiasts, but it's much more than that. It's rooted in the very biology of our bodies, deep in our metabolic systems and cellular functions. And now, research is uncovering something that may surprise you. Intermittent fasting could have a profound impact on one of the most overlooked systems in the human body, the gut. In this journey, we'll explore the fascinating connection between intermittent fasting and gut health, revealing the science behind this ancient practice, the biology that makes it effective, and how it's changing the way we think about health. What you're about to discover could transform the way you live, the way you eat, and perhaps most importantly, the way you feel. To understand the effects of intermittent fasting, we first need to grasp the concept of metabolism. Metabolism isn't just about burning calories or losing weight. It's the entire process by which our bodies convert food into energy, repair tissues, and support all of our bodily functions. It's the rhythm of life itself. In the simplest terms, metabolism is how we produce energy. When you eat food, your body breaks it down into glucose, which is then used as fuel for your cells. If you consume more calories than your body needs, that excess energy is stored as fat. And when you don't eat enough, your body taps into these reserves, converting fat back into glucose for energy. But here's where it gets interesting. Intermittent fasting works by giving your body time to reset, balancing energy and efficiency. When you don't eat for extended periods, your insulin levels drop and your body begins to burn fat for fuel, a process called ketosis. This shift doesn't just affect your waistline, it triggers a cascade of biological changes that can benefit not just your body, but your gut, brain, and beyond. For years, the gut has been largely overlooked when it comes to health, relegated to the background while we focused on more visible aspects like heart health and weight management. But science is now uncovering the truth. The gut is not only crucial for digestion, but it plays a significant role in immunity, mental health, and even metabolism. Our gut is home to trillions of microbes, bacteria, fungi, and viruses that make up the gut microbiome. These microbes are essential for digesting food, producing essential vitamins, and maintaining the lining of our intestines. But when the balance of these microbes is disrupted, it can lead to a host of issues, including digestive problems, inflammatory conditions, and even obesity. This is where intermittent fasting enters the picture. Studies are now showing that fasting has a powerful effect on the gut microbiome, helping to improve the diversity and balance of these microbes. This process, known as microbial modulation, can lead to a healthier gut and, in turn, better digestion, improved immune function, and even enhanced metabolic processes. One of the central themes of intermittent fasting is its effect on insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that plays a key role in regulating blood sugar levels. When we eat, our body releases insulin to help transport glucose from the bloodstream into our cells. However, when we eat too frequently or consume too many refined carbs, our bodies can become resistant to insulin, leading to higher blood sugar levels and, eventually, metabolic diseases like type 2 diabetes. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for improving insulin sensitivity. When we give our bodies periods of fasting, our insulin levels naturally decrease, allowing our cells to become more responsive to insulin. This process not only helps with fat burning, but also reduces the risk of developing insulin resistance, which is closely linked to poor gut health and inflammation. Our bodies are governed by hormones, messengers that regulate everything from appetite to energy to mood. Hormones are involved in nearly every biological process, and maintaining a balance between them is crucial for overall health. Intermittent fasting helps regulate several key hormones that influence gut health. One of the most important is ghrelin, often referred to as the hunger hormone. Ghrelin stimulates appetite and plays a role in regulating digestive processes. When we fast, ghrelin levels decrease, helping to reduce the frequency of food cravings and overeating. Another crucial hormone is leptin, which is responsible for signaling fullness and regulating fat storage. By improving leptin sensitivity, intermittent fasting can help reduce inflammation and support healthy weight management, both of which are essential for maintaining gut health. Intermittent fasting does more than just help regulate hormones and improve insulin sensitivity. It also triggers a fascinating process known as autophagy, a kind of spring cleaning for your cells. When you fast, your body initiates autophagy, which involves breaking down and removing damaged cells, proteins, and other cellular debris. This process helps your body maintain cellular integrity and function, reducing the risk of inflammation, oxidative stress, and age-related diseases. What does this have to do with gut health? Autophagy plays a critical role in maintaining the health of the cells lining your intestines. These cells are responsible for nutrient absorption and protecting your gut from harmful pathogens. When autophagy is triggered by fasting, it helps repair damaged gut cells, ensuring that your digestive system remains strong and effective. The relationship between the gut and the brain is more interconnected than we ever imagined. The gut is often referred to as the second brain because it contains a vast network of neurons and produces many of the same neurotransmitters as the brain, such as serotonin and dopamine. This connection is known as the gut-brain axis, and it plays a crucial role in regulating mood, cognition, and overall mental health. Intermittent fasting can have profound effects on the gut-brain axis. By improving gut health and promoting a healthy microbiome, fasting helps to regulate the production of these neurotransmitters, supporting mood stability and cognitive function. In fact, studies suggest that fasting may even help reduce the risk of neurological conditions like Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease by reducing inflammation and promoting cellular repair. It's important to remember that intermittent fasting isn't a modern-day fad. It's part of the way our bodies were designed to function. For most of human history, food wasn't as abundant as it is today. Our ancestors didn't have access to constant meals, and they had to adapt to periods of feast and famine. Fasting was a natural part of human evolution, and our bodies are uniquely equipped to handle it. In fact, intermittent fasting mimics the way our ancestors would have eaten, taking advantage of natural fasting periods between meals, or even days without food. During these times, the body would shift into a fat-burning mode, allowing it to use stored energy to survive. This ancient survival mechanism has carried over into modern times, and research shows that fasting can trigger the same beneficial biological processes that kept our ancestors healthy and strong. Incorporating intermittent fasting into your routine isn't just about losing weight or looking good. It's about tapping into the body's natural rhythms and allowing it to heal, repair, and thrive. It's about embracing a practice that is rooted in biology, evolution, and the understanding that our bodies are more than capable of adapting to the challenges we face. If you're ready to embark on this transformative journey, consider the science behind it. Think of it as a journey to rediscover your body's natural capacity for balance, energy, and health. By giving your body the time it needs to rest, repair, and reset, you're not only improving your metabolism, you're nurturing your gut, your hormones, your brain, and your overall well-being. Before we dive deeper into this journey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more groundbreaking insights into health and wellness. By staying connected, you'll be among the first to discover more about how you can take control of your body and transform your life. Now that you understand the profound impact intermittent fasting can have on your gut health and your entire body, it's time to take the next step. The science is clear and the benefits are undeniable. You have the power to transform your health from the inside out, but it all starts with taking action. Check out the ebook link in the description below to dive deeper into the world of metabolic health. Learn how to implement intermittent fasting into your life and discover the tools you need to reclaim your vitality, energy, and long-term well-being. Don't wait. Take control of your metabolic health today and experience the life-changing benefits of a healthier gut, sharper mind, and stronger body. Your transformation begins now.